Brett Lyons says that the ventral vagal social engagement system, or behavior attachment, is a way to come out of the dorsal vagal shutdown. So can I use auricular medicine to activate a point of the ventral vagal social engagement system? Because if I could, then I could prevent or help somebody come out of a dorsal vagal shutdown.
And what I've noticed for severe dissociation clients is that we reduce the number of sessions that we need to do to start EMDR. So we can go from having to do 10 sessions of prep work to being able to do an EMDR active session in the second session after doing auricular.
One really key concept in auricular medicine is laterality.
We target specific points that might be related to severe dissociation, something like the laterality point or the corpus callosum.
As a psychologist, you can understand laterality as communication between the right and the left hemispheres.
These sorts of points will be really active on people who have severe dissociation, so we can target them really quickly.
This works so well with the tools that psychologists are already using.